Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to transplant tomatoes into a container or a grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. All right, so today we are going to plant our tomatoes. So I have had my tomato plants outside, in the shade, out of the shade, back and forth kind of for probably the whole week, pretty close. So they are hardened off to the sun. When the 40-mile-an-hour wind comes through, I think I will throw shade cloth over these just so they don't get ripped to pieces. But we're going to go ahead and plant these today. Now I have them in this row here right now, but I really like the idea of being able to move them if I want to. That's kind of cool. So we're going to experiment around with where they're going to grow best, and I do want to trellis them. We will be putting in a trellis for them because I just like to tie them up, and I just like to have just the one stalk going up. So that's the way we're going to grow them. So for right now, we're just going to get them planted. And this is our nice soft sandy loam soil that the plants love. And it's so easy, I can just dig it with my fingers. And that's what you want. In your container garden, you don't want heavy soil. You want some of this lightweight soil. And I'll put the tag in there to unpot a tomato, turn it upside down. You can hit that, and it's not completely rooted into that. I moved them into these pots not that long ago, but good enough. Push that back around it. Now I can put a stake here if I just want to stake it for right now. This one's okay for today. But this guy, it's a little bit older plant, and I may want to just go get a stake and stake it just to tie it up and give it a little bit of support. And then once we get the trellis in here, I'll tie it to the trellis. So we're just gonna excavate a hole. I have nutrients all the way to the bottom of the pot because I'm asking this plant to do a lot in a very small space, so I need to feed it like the superstar that it is. Okay, same thing, turn that over. This nice set of roots on this one. Okay, wiggle that down in there. I need to go a little deeper. This one has a very nice set of roots. I'm curious to see, because some of these plants are older and some of these plants are a little bit younger, as to who will make fruit first and who will kind of make the most fruit. So this guy already got fruit on it. I'm going to leave it and see how it does. I'm going to put a stake on here. Get this guy going upright. Right now we'll just set him like that. Okay, so these are cherry tomatoes. This one, this is a large red tomato. This one was planted about 8 weeks behind these guys. So we got quite a gap in time here. And like I say, it's always fun to just experiment with whatever's going on in the garden. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, turn that over. I have my tags in there just so if I'm like, oh, I love this particular variety of tomato, I can remember what it is, and then I can replicate that next year. So I always keep the tags with the plants. Okay, this next one is also this same variety. It is a large red tomato. This is one called Kansas, which is an heirloom that we grow the seed for here on the farm. Okay, another large red tomato. Now I will water these in. I will mulch these because I want to keep that moisture in. I have been watering these pots. I made the soil midweek, and then I've been watering those, and it's nice and moist down in here, which is what I want. But even on these bigger plants, we got to burp the baby. This is a large yellow tomato. So we'll put that in. It's the same age as these ones. Okay, and our last one, this is our Estevia. This is another large red tomato. And this plant is also about 8 weeks older than these 3 in the middle here. So that will give us a good indication of, is it important to plant the tomato seeds way earlier or not? He has blossoms, but no fruit on it. A big set of roots. And I will go find a stick and just stake this one so it can be upright. Okay, there is our tomatoes. And what I want to do next is get them mulched and watered. All right, I just wanted to show you a stake. I just went and got a stick and a piece of string, and I just put that stick down in and just tied the string in a loose knot around the plant. And that'll work for now. That'll hold this tomato plant up. And then when we get our big trellises, we'll put the proper strings on it. So this will work for today for the tomatoes. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week 0. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.